Here we have the only candidate in the application at the moment. If we want to review their skills as a potential candidate for a job, we simply enter their email in the drop-down and open their report. The report provides an analysis of the candidate's profile, including a justification of the evaluation and any possible inconsistencies detected in their answers. It also highlights their strengths, the areas where they are less strong, and a breakdown of competencies based on each skill that has been analyzed. Finally, we submit the test, and the AI begins processing the candidate's results. In this example, the candidate obtained a score of 6.66 out of 7.33. Although the test is displayed as being scored out of 10, it is not actually possible to achieve a perfect 10 because of the way the test is configured. In this specific assessment, the highest possible score is 7.33, which can only be achieved by selecting the optimal combination of answers. Some questions involve trade-offs, meaning that being very strong in one skill may reduce the score in another. For this reason, every test is evaluated against the maximum score defined by the application's backend, which provides this parameter when the application loads. Now we are going to enter the application as if we were a candidate. In this demo, both the recruiter panel and the candidate panel appear on the same page because the application does not currently implement user roles. If roles were enabled, recruiters would only see the recruiter dashboard, while candidates would only see the candidate dashboard. Let's access the candidate section and complete the competency tests. First, we add a new candidate. In this example, we create a candidate named Luke Skywalker. The application validates the 3 required fields, including the email address. If an invalid email is entered, the system displays an error message. Once a valid email address has been entered, we can start the test. This test has a particular characteristic. The highest possible score is achieved by selecting answer A for every question. We answer all the questions and, once the 20 questions have been completed, we submit the test. If we try to submit the test before configuring the AI, the application displays a message indicating that no Gemini API key has been entered. Any company using this application must register its own Gemini account and configure the AI model they want to use. In this demonstration, we are using Gemini 2.5 Flash. We copy the API key, paste it into the application, and activate Gemini. Once the configuration is complete, the application confirms that Gemini has been activated. Finally, we submit the test, and the AI begins processing the candidate's results. After a few seconds, the AI returns results. In this trial version, we can go to the admin panel to view the report generated by Gemini or to the home screen to run a new test.